This week on Engineering Newswire, we're sniffing out dangerous chemicals and building drones, just not at the same time. If it looks like a dog and smells like a dog, it's probably a 3D printed bomb detector. The National Institute of Standards and Technology was inspired by the explosive sniffing dogs to create chemical detection devices. A dog's nose is uniquely shaped to pull air into the inner passages. In a biological process called entraining, dogs expel air from their nostrils in sharp blasts, which actually draws the fresh air very quickly. This means that the dog's exhale draws in a huge breath of air, sometimes from a great distance. NIST replicated this by 3D printing exact replicas of dogs' noses. By attaching the ersatz nasal passages to commercially available chemical detectors, the detectors can become up to 18 times more effective. NIST hopes to use this to beef up security monitoring devices at places like airports and other sensitive locations. Currently, some equipment requires people to touch the surface with a swab or hands in order to take a chemical sample. More efficient vapors detectors could sniff surfaces like that from a distance using entrainment. In a test, NIST found that the artificial nose was 4 times more efficient at 3.9 inches from the target than a trace detection device that used continuous suction. It was 18 times better at a distance of 7.9 inches. The dog days are here, and they might make airports safer.
For the last couple years, little household drones have been a trendy, techie gift. Commercially available models can range from toy-like curiosities to heavy camera-equipped monitoring systems. But what if you could put a drone together yourself, like snapping pieces onto a toy set? Researchers at MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Laboratory, the same group that created driverless scooters this spring and future-predicting videos later in the year, have developed software which can help users design their own drone. The software allows you to customize the body size, rotor configuration, and shape of a commercial-style drone. The video they released about the project shows copters with a wide variety of configurations, including the bunny copter, with rabbit-like ears and outrigger rotors. Software has to take into account whether any given drone design will be able to support itself or what jobs it might be used for. An unusual shape could allow a drone to carry heavy loads, but you've got to watch out for whether rotors block the view of the camera or don't balance the load properly.
Do you have any story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in an upcoming episode. For the PD&D channel, we're Tim Morgan and John DePiro. That's me, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.